This footnote in my Bible says it's literally the Ram of filling.
Yes, the mysterious Ram of Ordination, also called the Ram of Consecration. Well, we're in Leviticus 8, but Exodus 29 describes the same event.
The consecration of the priests.
Yup. What does verse 35 say?
It says, for 7 days you shall consecrate them.
No, it actually doesn't. In Hebrew, it literally says, for 7 days you shall fill their hand.
Filling a hand, the ram of filling? I'm still not getting it. Fill in the blanks for me, Phil.
So, a couple of translations, including the Greek Septuagint, translate it as consecrate their hand.
Is consecrate filling? Am I missing something? Fill me in here.
Okay, fill the hand is a Hebrew idiom.
For consecrating priests?
Well, yeah, but there's more to it. So that Greek word used in the Septuagint means to fill up, or to fulfill, or to be made perfect. And actually, it comes from the word that Jesus says on the cross, when he says, it is finished. Or one translation has, it is completed.
Right, so the Ram of Ordination is the Ram of completeness, or filling up.
Yeah, and one translation actually calls it the Ram of completion.
Okay, but where does the idiom come from? Is having your hand filled like a sign of receiving a blessing? Like being given something sacred?
Maybe. So this word comes from a Hebrew word back in Genesis 1. When God gives a blessing to the man and the woman, God blessed them and said, be fruitful and multiply, fill the earth.
And here the priests fill their hands.
Yeah, so they've just waved the wave offering. They literally had their hands filled with bread and oil and meat and fat.
Yeah, from the Ram of filling. And then it's given to God, and it's called an ordination offering.
Yep, and what the priests eat is literally called the flesh of filling.
Yeah, right. That's the meat of ordination.
Want to hear something really cool? In Leviticus 8:33, there's this Hebrew wordplay that doesn't come through in English.
Oh yeah, okay. In English, it says, don't go outside for 7 days until the days of your consecration are completed. For 7 days, he will consecrate you.
Right, but literally it would read, don't go outside for 7 days until the time of your filling is fulfilled. For 7 days, he will fill your hand.
That fully makes sense.
Do you want to hear something else cool? The Ram of Consecration, that Greek word, consecration, only appears twice in the New Testament. So once in Luke as fulfillment, and the other time, the writer of Hebrews gets a bit clever and also a bit cheeky. He says, if perfection, that's that word, if perfection could have been attained through the Levitical priesthood, why was there still need for another priest to come?
So even though the priest's hands were filled,
they ate the Ram of completion.
The writer of Hebrews knows that the priesthood under the Old Covenant wasn't ever complete.
Yup, it wasn't fully filled up. Jesus, as ultimate high priest, was the one who would fully bring it to completion or perfection.
It is completed.
Fill my cup to the top with running water, call me out.
Do you think it'd be okay to fill animals with helium?
Whatever floats your goat, Phil.
And show me how. Fill my cup to the top with running water, call me out and show me